Welcome today. We invite you to explore the craftsmanship of Croft Wooden. Since 2005, we have been delivering bespoke, sustainable, and highly regulated luxury residential builds on the Mornington Peninsula, translating architectural visions into exquisite coastal realities. Our renovation and custom extension services are designed for homeowners seeking expanded, premium living spaces. We combine meticulous clean site practices and extensive council regulation expertise to make complex modifications seamless. For clients seeking to build from the ground up, we offer unmatched local knowledge and master-level building techniques. We pair client-led architectural designs with our deep understanding of the unique Mornington Peninsula environment to craft truly bespoke luxury estates. Sustainability is core to our values. By integrating passive house principles, advanced thermal insulation, and low-impact materials, we reduce energy dependency while maintaining beautiful architectural integrity. Trust is built on formal accountability and industry recognition. Croft Wooden is fully licensed under prestigious domestic and commercial registrations, backed by multiple sustainable building and heritage conservation accolades. Thank you for your time. Your journey toward an extraordinary, sustainable coastal home begins with a conversation. We invite you to contact us to schedule your personalized design and construct consultation.